How to decorate my bathroom like a spa. First off, these Blue Bear toilet cleaners keep your bathroom and toilet smelling fresh and clean. Just drop one in your toilet bowl and it lasts for 3 months. A top deal today because they come in a pack of 3 and make a super cute bathroom decorating idea for your bathroom shelves like a spa. A beautiful bath pillow so you can relax in the bathtub. This one is a great luxury bathroom decorating idea on Amazon because it looks great hanging as a bathroom decoration idea for a bathroom that looks like a spa. This glass container that looks like a Ziploc bag is such a cute decorating idea for your bathroom. Super chic Amazon must-have to give your bathroom a luxury spa decor. You can fill it with bath salts and can sit it by your bathtub, or fill it with rose petals to decorate your bathroom shelves. This back massager heats up. Use it before or after a hot bath to relax. A top Amazon must-have. All links are below in the description. This tall floating corner shelf is perfect to decorate your bathroom like a spa. It doesn't take up a lot of room, and you can add a spa decor like flowers or books or candles to decorate your Zen bathroom spa. Amazon must-have and linked below. Of course, we need to keep our bathroom spa organized and clean. This magnetic hair holder picks up bobby pins so easily and keeps them nice and neat. It's also a cute decorating idea. These acrylic hooks make decorating a bathroom like a spa not only chic but practical. They stick to most bathroom surfaces. The clear luxury design matches any bathroom. Disposable hair catchers. They are great to keep your bathroom drains clear. They last up to 3 weeks and they are super easy to remove from the drain. They come in a pack of 25. Amazon must-have and linked below. How to decorate my bathroom like a spa. Amazon must-have and linked below. Decorate your bathroom like a spa with this makeup brush organizer. It has a lid so it keeps all the dust off, and it's a bathroom spa style decorating idea. Great Amazon find. Bathtub Caddy, another Amazon must-have, linked below. More Amazon bathroom luxury ideas to decorate like a spa with these bottle labels for an elegant bathroom. The soap bottles come in a pack of 3 and remind me of a fancy hotel luxury bathroom. Towel warmer. Okay, yes, this is a luxury Amazon must-have, especially in the winter. Another Amazon must-have, linked below. Waterproof phone mount, just when I need to watch more YouTube videos in the shower. This is one of the best shower caddies on Amazon today. Best deals today and linked down below. Sometimes luxury decorating ideas are the small things like this marble tray. It has a bathroom spa vibe and it's so chic. Black toilet paper. Okay, this one's really a vibe. Maybe if you decorate your bathroom with gold finishes to give that bathroom a luxury bathroom spa feel. It's pretty amazing that even scrubbing with water and this black toilet paper doesn't even shed or come apart. Exfoliating mesh sleeve for soap. Keep your skin baby smooth by exfoliating with your favorite soap. Best bath mat on Amazon, soaks up the water and it's so soft and super comfy. How to decorate my bathroom like a spa. Another Amazon must-have, linked below. This bath mat comes in so many different colors. It's removable and it's non-slip. Decorate as you like. It's linked down below in my description. Suction cup shower caddy can hold up to 22 pounds. Whoa. A loofah, obviously we need that. And if you want to relax in the bathtub, you need a bath pillow with suction cups so it stays in place and doesn't slide down. Linked below. That was fast. But here is some more Jolly Goodies to watch. And make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a deal.